In today's video, we're taking a look at how to fix a non-working oven light, easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to the oven. You pressed the button for the light and it seems it's still dark in that place that you call the storage area, where you seldomly cook. You mostly store stuff. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. We'll bring light to the darkness. And if that doesn't work, we'll watch the Exorcist movie together. And when we're handling the new bulb, we want to make sure we use gloves because of the grease and oiliness of our fingers can cause that the new bulb life expectancy decreases, and we don't want that. So using some gloves is the way to go. The first thing that we want to do is verify that we have the correct home. Next, the correct oven, because the last thing you want is to fix the neighbor's one. And the next important thing is to have the correct bulb or light. You usually get this information on your owner's manual, on the manufacturer's webpage, or by calling the customer service number on your appliance, or even in the interwebs. We'll leave links in the description. And this technique works for both the screw-on bulb or one like this one, a push-in bulb. We'll show you both ways on how to take out the victim. I mean, how to fix that light. And before we get to yoga pretzel position, what we like to do is remove the grates from the oven and contort that body in ways it's never seen before. I'm gonna go one level up. Removing the door to your oven gives you more clearance to work more comfortably. We'll leave a link to our video on how to do that on the description of this one, and it's very easy to do. Now, no matter which technique you use to break your body, I mean to get in position, we're ready to start. We're gonna see at the corner the light bulb housing. We want to use the ancient rule passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty, meaning we're turning to the left or counterclockwise. But let's say you turn and keep turning and nothing happens. We can use some gloves with grip or texture, but if you notice it's really stuck in there, another technique you can use is using an oil filter removal tool to get that initial break. But let's say that still doesn't work. Another thing that you can do is warm up the oven and then wait until it cools down. What this does is it softens or releases any adhesion bond or gunk or grime over the years. And remember, you can always use all of these three techniques in combination. Now that you showed the world how strong you are, we're ready to replace the bulb. If in your case is a screw-on bulb, we want to go ahead and remove it just the regular way as you remove any bulb from a light fixture. If you're removing a light bulb like this one, the only thing that you have to do is pull it out. And now comes the most important part of the whole video. Remember, we want to use gloves when placing the new one. We don't want to handle it free-handed without gloves, because the last thing you want after all this work and pretzel position is to have to do this once again in a few days and your body decide to be on strike. Before we place the cap back or the housing, we want to make sure that the bulb is working, because what you don't want is to put everything back together, tell the spouse, partner, friend, or family member in the household everything's done, then they press the button and nothing happens. At least we want to act like we know what we're doing. And now that we verify that important information, we're ready to reverse engineer our way to glory. And remember, once you feel it hand tight, that's good enough. And now you've done it. You become a light controller, a yoga master, and shown the world you have the strongest hands in the planet. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.